Assalamu alaikum, this is Saqib and today here my topic is self-introduction. So in self-introduction, there are 4 points which is necessary. If you go for the interview and examiner will say to you, yourself, introduce yourself. So you have to, introduce yourself like this. First, you have to start from the name, like my name is Saqib, or this is Saqib, and this is Madi, and this is Amna. Okay, and then the second point, you have to solve the question, where are you from? Like I am from district Kumarkot, Tahsil Samaru, division Mikufa. And then the third point is education in detail. You have to tell about your education, where have you done your matriculation and intermediate and your graduation. And the fourth is job experience, like how many experience of your job experience, like where had you worked and where are you working, and you have to share your job experience. And the fifth one is family detail. You have to describe all family members, like father, mother, and brother and sister. This is the self introduction, and if you want to learn English language or IELTS and public speaking, you have to join me and follow for more. Thank you so much.